Hey guys, DPG, David Patrick Green here, hackhollywood.com. And just a quick little video. I hope you're enjoying the night scene. I haven't done any night videos, well, at least not too many. But let's get straight to the point. This is an incredibly important concept for all actors, especially those who aren't maybe achieving the level they feel like they should, despite having a ton of training, okay? And the word of the day is certainty or uncertainty. Uncertainty is death to an actor, okay? So that's what we're gonna call this video. Uncertainty is death to acting. So what do I mean by that, and what can you do about it? Well, uncertainty comes from when you're looking at a part, you don't really know what to do, or you're thinking, oh, I want to give them what they want. Them meaning casting directors, producers, directors, whomever, right? So you're trying to give them what they want. Well, you'll never know what they want because they don't even know what they want. And you could try to guess, but chances are you're gonna get it wrong. And actually, what they want is actually obvious. It's on the page. Just read the material and do it the way you feel makes sense according to the story. So that's simple. And how do you get to that? Trust your instincts. Because you have this unique perspective that nobody else has. And I think you're pretty sure about how you feel about things. You may not say what you feel all the time, but you know what you feel, right? Like you react how you react to things. And that's called your instincts. And so all you have to do is rely on your instincts and you'll never be wrong, okay? But you've got to do it with confidence, with certainty, because uncertainty, like hesitation and just trying to go down the middle, is death. It's kind of like you didn't do anything at all. You just sort of sat there in the middle and said, I don't know. I know what I think, but I'm not really going to tell you what I think because I'm worried you're not going to like it. Okay? That is death to an actor. So all you got to do is when you first read the piece and forget your own lines, just read it like it's a story and just go, okay, this is the story. This is everybody's perspective. This is what they think, this is what they're doing, this is what their goals are and all that. Just like, Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Goldilocks, what's her objective? Well, she's hungry and she's tired, right? She goes and she steals some porridge and then she goes and has a nap because the porridge makes her sleepy. So that's her goal. The bears, their goal is to just go home and eat some porridge. And the story is where those things meet, okay? But Goldilocks, if she is not motivated, like if she's not honest about if she's not certain about her hunger or her tiredness, then she won't be believable, right? She's like, well, if I don't really care about eating, then I'm not going to break into a bear's house. I'm not going to walk into a bear's house, and I'm certainly not going to sleep in somebody else's bed, right? So you got to be pretty hungry, and you got to be pretty tired. You've got to be committed. You got to be certain about how you feel. Okay, so that's really all I wanted to say to you guys, is that when you are presented with material, that you don't try and hedge your bets. You got to commit and show them what is your point of view, your perspective. And if you do that, then they will see what your point of view and your perspective is. And then they can decide if they want to hire you or not. But if you don't give them your perspective, you have not given them anything and you are automatically disqualified. Okay, do you see the difference? You can give yourself a chance, you can buy a ticket, and the way to buy a ticket is to actually pick a number. You pick something, and that's your perspective, your instincts. You choose to use them, or you can choose to do nothing, which is, I'm not going to go one way or the other with this. I'm just going to say the words because I'm worried about what somebody thinks, okay? So one way is automatic disqualification. That is not going with your gut and committing to it. And the other way is to say, hey, this is giving yourself a chance, is going, This is what I think. This is who I am. This is what I think of this material. Do you like it or not? Okay, so you bought yourself a ticket, and you've not only bought yourself one ticket, you've bought yourself a lifetime worth of tickets with those people, because if you commit to the work, if you give them your point of view, if you show them your certainty about what this material is, then they will go, oh, that was a really interesting perspective. It doesn't really work with what we're doing right now. And again, you got to understand, these things don't have anything to do with you. There's a lot of different factors involved in casting, most of which are not only beyond your control, but beyond everyone's control. But you will have a lifetime of opportunities with these people, because now they know what your viewpoint and your perspective is, and they'll know when to turn to it. They'll know when the time is right for you. Okay, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like this, then like my, then sign, what do you call it? Like the video, questions, comments, suggestions in the space below, and sign up. Click on that bell for notifications of more videos like this. Have a great evening, and I'm gonna head inside and get some shut-eye. Talk to you soon.